Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com. And I wanted to do a little live to show you the newest venue where I am bringing a Kits and Sips event. The last Wednesday night of November is my launch for this event. So I wanted to just show you the space and let you see what we're going to be doing. So this is the spot, and it's just a really cute little spot, and it's right here on Northwest Military Highway. And this is a coffee and wine bar. And so this is why I'm calling it Kits and Sips. So this space right here is where we are going to be. And we are going to be working on kits. And your ticket includes a glass of wine, or you can do a coffee, and that includes specialty coffees. Really fun space. I'm super excited about this. This is a very new place. It's only been open a couple of months. And I've been driving by here and thinking, I think this would be just the kind of place where I want to do an event. So as I said, let me get back to you here. Your ticket is going to include a glass of wine or a coffee. Now let me just show you. I've got some, I'm doing some still photos while I'm in here as well. So let me show you. We've got a really nice selection of wines here and a really nice coffee setup as well. This is my, I'm drinking a pour over tonight. And I think it's gonna be super fun. This is the coffee I'm drinking. And so we are going to be doing a little bit of like what I do at the tea room. So I do tea and crafts at a tea room, and that's during the day. But the tea room is only open during the day. And I thought, well, what about doing something where it's a girls' night out, where moms or women can just, you know, have somebody else sort out the kids. We're going to be here at 6:30 and just have some fun. We're going to be doing kits, and you get a full kit with this event, a kit of your choice. So I'm not going to feature a particular kit. I'm just going to give you a kit of your choice, and then you get a drink. And if you want something more than that, you know, you're welcome to order that, but your ticket will include a glass of wine or a coffee. So let me just show you the lights here as I'm looking out. And that's sweet. Really cute spot. So I invite you to join me. I've just launched the event last night, or I launched the sign up last night. So it is an event on here on my Facebook page, and I will be sharing some photos and some reminders between now and then. So this will be a monthly event, and for November, we are the last Wednesday. We will be doing Wednesday nights. This will be the last Wednesday of the month, and I will let you know about future dates as soon as I have them. So I hope that you will join me for a relaxing evening and a little bit of sipping, and a little bit of kit, and a little bit of fun and friendship. So thanks so much for tuning in. Take care, and God bless.